video. For this video, I'm just gonna be getting
Noli.
So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and enjoy. Finally, dude, it's me next. God damn. Okay, it's Tempest. Has to be Tempest. Yep, I knew it. Yeah, it's definitely Tempest. Okay, one admin, and it's my friend. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna capture this like entire round. I think I'm gonna get bullied because like it's all fucking sentinels. Like, it's a guarantee I'm gonna get like bullied. Where's this admin? Ow, that hurts. Wait, okay, nice. Whoa, holy shit. Doing good this round. Abracadabra. Is this your death? Also, I'm gonna say a story while I'm playing. So basically there was this like milestone 4. There was this milestone 4 and like they were just like standing next to me. When I tried to like M1 them, like they just automatically blocked the punch. I think it's an auto blocker, I'm not sure. But I can't tell, you know, I can't tell. We're gonna try new videos, right? Like, I'm not sure. But like, it was a milestone 4 and they had perfect blocks. I don't know how. Like, it was kinda weird. And I think it has to be like an auto blocker. Cause like their blocks were like perfectly timed with my flashes, like it was like very perfect. Can you not?
It's my first time realizing that was a thing. I like it.
Yeah, it's like a noli, but this is just an admin skill. Like, don't expect me to like.
You know, I think Splendid is gonna be the next skill.
Are you sure?
I think, cause like he's in the map. The galaxy's the.
God damn! I wish I could. Whatever. Why is the hitbox still in the? What? Ow. Okay. Rah! I'm coming for you, block guess. Is this your card? By the way, Luffy, there's an LMS if you hear it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy they added a custom LMS for like 5 death skins. Rah! Okay, what is that lag? I'm trying to do that iconic dude. I don't wanna like win this round. I honestly don't wanna win. I'm just trying to get admin mode.
Well, let me go watch this video.
Damn it. Ooh, 32 out of 33. Okay, that's like really close. Nice. Well, he left the call, but I think he can join back amongst clients. And I might be wasting bandwidth. Oh, actually that explains my face. What the? Wee! What are you looking at? What are you looking at? So, Luffy, someone called me fake?
I don't know if they were talking about you, so I'm asking. Maybe they're in the game right now. Let me check.
Yeah. I'm just playing Veronica because I'm done with like shit. Let's go now. Wee. Fuck. All right, the final admin kill. Let's do this. Come on. Hurry up!
I'm gonna try to stay alive, but not juking. Juking is the only thing I won't do.
Okay. Sure. The recording is resumed. Stop for the camera. Stop for the camera. Oh, that's good. Come here. I thought that would hurt you. Now, where did Bro go? Get back here. Oh, let's go! I got it! Hell yeah! Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, have fun.